You guys, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. All well? Everything is fine? चलिए check कर लीजिए पहले एक बार. If all well, we can start the session immediately. So we'll be doing the discussion around the current affairs of 26th to 28th of October 2024. If you will realize, October gone, November will be started, and after that December, and we will lose the year 2024. We will be moving into the year 2025 very soon. ऐसा लगता होगा कि अभी तो 24 स्टार्ट हुआ था और अभी फिनिश होने जा रहा है, कंप्लीट होने जा रहा है, and we will be moving into the year 2025. So from now onwards, I'll wish, because there are lots of examinations in front of you in the upcoming days. So target each and every examination properly, so you will have at least 2 to 3 jobs in the starting of 2025 in your hand. You can decide that, okay, I want to join this or I don't want to join this. That should be your call, right? Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning everyone. Those who have joined just now, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. You will be able to get the information regarding the banking awareness, current affairs, interview preparation on the same platform. Starting with the news highlights of the day. Maybe you guys have heard the name of Religare. Religare is a name of a NBFC in India, non-bank financial company in India. They do provide facilities in the multiple sector, offering the small loans, also offering the AMC facility, asset management facility, that is the management of demat account, and also all such facilities provided by this company called Religare. Now, this company have applied in front of Reserve Bank of India to appoint one of the retired senior official of CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. Now RBI have rejected the appeal. So we'll see the name of that official also. What was the reason RBI have given behind that? That also we are going to see. Second news is most important. Department of Financial Services revamp middle management structure in the nationalized bank. So there will be more opportunities for promotion in the nationalized bank now. Why? On the higher position, the number of chief general manager, their total number of posts have been increased. आप समझिए बात को. Whenever the notification comes, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, whenever these notification come, what is the first thing which you observe? कि total number of vacancies कितनी है, right? ये देखते हो कितने वैकेंसीज आए हैं टोटल. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी एट द हायर मैनेजमेंट लेवल, एट द CGM लेवल, एट द GM लेवल, AGM DGM लेवल, उसको इंक्रीज किया है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने. सो देयर विल बी मोर चांसेस ऑफ द ग्रोथ एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी इन द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक. नाउ मैं कंप्लीट डिटेल दूंगा इसका आपको लिए, ठीक है. आगे मूव करते हैं. चलिए, हाय जॉय, हाउ आर यू? But for every examination, we have seen the concept that last 5 months current affairs you should cover. Although last 8 to 9 month current affairs will come in the examination with 3-4 question from the previous one. तो आप उस पर अभी भी फोकस नहीं कर सकते. I'm still saying that you cannot remember the current affairs of 1 year at a time. That is why still keep the focus on last 5 months current affairs. ठीक है, चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. So Reserve Bank of India have banned Paytm. Remember that RBI says to Paytm not to onboard any customer for the UPI transaction. RBI have cancelled all type of functions of the Paytm in the month of January, Feb 2024, this year, same year. Now Paytm received the approval from NPCI to enroll the new UPI customer. अब नए UPI कस्टमर ऑनबोर्ड हो पाएंगे किस पर? Paytm पर. डिटेल में बात करेंगे इसके ऊपर भी. Then Financial Intelligence Unit imposed the fine of 54 lakh rupee on Union Bank of India for multiple Prevention of Money Laundering Act violation. So what is this PMLA and why this fine imposed? Detailed discussion. Government launches 2-year, not 2 days, 2-year nationwide celebration for Sardar Patel 150th birth anniversary. Okay, can you tell me that on the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel ji, which important day do we celebrate every year? हर साल हम कौन सा दिन celebrate करते हैं on the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel? आंसर बताइएगा. Scientists discovered hidden ocean 700 kilometer below the Earth's surface, which is going to be the largest ocean, that is 3 to 4 times larger compared to the all oceans available together. तो अभी इन्होंने नया ओशियन ढूंढ कर निकाला. इट इज गोइंग टू बी द 6th ओशियन अवेलेबल ऑन अर्थ. 5 ओशियन वी आर अवेयर अबाउट, दिस इज गोइंग टू द 6th वन. ठीक है. हाँ भाई, कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? या Rebecca will be doing that session on Wednesday, this Wednesday. I'll give you the information. Wednesday 12 o'clock we are going to do that session. Wednesday को 12 बजे वो सेशन करेंगे हम लोग. Wednesday 12 o'clock we will do that session. ठीक है. So one more important news, international news. Everyone have heard the name of cartoon Doraemon. I don't know. I'm not aware about that. Maybe few of you are also the fan of this cartoon Doraemon. So Japanese actor, that is the Japanese actor Nobuo Oyama, who was giving the voice, who was doing the voiceover of Doraemon, passed away recently. So Doraemon का जो voice over करते थे वो Japanese voice actor, इनको voice actor ही कहा जाता था, Japanese voice actor, he passed away recently. So name was Nobuo Oyama. So name is going to be important. After that, Simbex 2024 defense exercise conducted at Visakhapatnam. It was the defense exercise between India and Singapore. MCQ revision आज नहीं कर रहे हैं, and from tomorrow we'll do it back. But on Wednesday, मैं repeat कर दूं, this Wednesday we will be doing the MCQ revision session 1st to 10th of October. 1st to 10th of October current affairs MCQs we are going to revise in detail. ठीक है. तो वेंसडे का टाइम रखूंगा मैं 12 PM का, याद रखना. यू गाइज ऑल्सो रिमाइंड मी अगर मैं भूल जाता हूं तो. वैसे भूलूंगा नहीं, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल इन दैट केस. So you will get the PDF from this Telegram group. Join the Telegram group to get all of my PDF. Also, if you are having any confusion and you want to connect with me. National Nutrition Week in India celebrated every year from 1st to 7th of September. This year theme was nutritious diet for everyone. This was the theme of 2024. World Coconut Day, observed every year on 2nd of September, focuses on emphasizing the advantage of the coconut and raising the awareness about the significance. Which of the following country is not the part of Asia Pacific this coconut community, that is called APCC, Asia Pacific Coconut Community? Bangladesh is not the part of it. So celebrating the Coconut Day on 2nd of September every year. World Coconut Day celebrated on 2nd of September every year. The major coconut producing cities or states in India. अगर हम states की बात करें, major coconut producing states in India, so Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu is on top. Now talking about Asia Pacific Coconut Community, it was established in the year 1969. It was established in the year 1969 to increase the production, sale, export and marketing of the coconut product at the world level. Its headquarter located in Jakarta, Indonesia. याद रखना headquarter कहाँ पर located है? Its headquarter located in Jakarta, Indonesia. And in the year 2009, APCC initiated World Coconut Day to recognize the significance. And which are the member nations? So India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Kenya and Vietnam. These are the member nation of APCC. I hope the statements are clear. Yeah? Clear है ये? चलिए. Sir, current affairs momentum कितना source follow करना चाहिए for good marks? You can follow 2 sources if you want. One, video course. Second, for the MCQ revision. MCQ revision means there are multiple websites. On the Guidely also you will be able to see the daily MCQ practice questions. Daily MCQ practice question. So if you are attending TNA regularly and paid TNA regularly, that is our hustle batch. So apart from that, what you can do, simply go open any website and daily MCQs you can follow. Nothing more than that is required, because you will not be able to remember the current affairs if you will be following the multiple different sources at a time. ठीक है? Always follow one faculty. I will not say only follow me. If you want, you can follow some other faculty, but follow that faculty only. एक ही faculty को follow करो एक time पर. That is going to be beneficial. 2, 3, 4 faculties if you are following, you will get confused. चलिए, World Literacy Day, also known as International Literacy Day, observed on 8th of September since 1967. This year theme was promoting multilingual education literacy for the mutual understanding and peace. तो ये हमारे questions थे, हमारे TNA heroes. A long list we have today, because there are lots of people, those who were demanding for the weekly current affairs. So I am telling you, weekly current affairs we will be doing on Wednesday. This Wednesday we will be doing at 12 PM. तो 12 बजे रखेंगे session इस Wednesday को. Be ready everyone, will be doing a great session. If you will give a proper continuous support to the first session, I will continue to do in the next 2-3 days. I'll complete your October MCQs. मैं October के MCQs आपके करवा दूंगा complete. ठीक है? चलो भाई, सो आगे मूव करते हैं. TNA heroes names are here on the screen. Thank you guys. Thank you for so many answers. So much love to your session called TNA. Homework question for tomorrow. During the recent GST Council meeting, what is the GST which is implemented by Government of India on the charges which are applicable over the construction of residential property as well as commercial property. Second है 54th edition of GST Council meeting was chaired by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. They have announced to set up a new committee for deciding the GST on the premium of insurance policies. तो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के प्रीमियम के ऊपर जीएसटी कितना लगेगा, इसको डिसाइड करने के लिए कमेटी बनाई गई. हु इज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ दैट कमेटी? 54th meeting of GST Council meeting have recently decreased the GST on the cancer drug. तो कैंसर की दवाइयों के ऊपर जीएसटी कम किया गया है. कितना % जीएसटी लगेगा? आरआरबी पीओ इंटरव्यू बैचेस लाइव गाइस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशंस. आई एम नॉट वेटिंग अलॉट फॉर द रिजल्ट, यू नो दैट राइट. मैं बहुत ज्यादा वेट नहीं कर रहा हूं रिजल्ट का. Continuously we are doing the session in this batch. We have already completed lots of things in the batch. So those who have already joined the batch, they are already on a very higher edge compared to the candidate, those who have not started the preparation yet. This is not the time you should wait. You should start your preparation. Move into it into a quick manner. So our batch is costing around 1500 rupee at present. अभी आपको 1500 के around ये batch पड़ेगा. And after the result is going to be 2000. GSL batch, one-stop solution for complete preparation of all your upcoming examination, including UBI LBO. UBI LBO को मैं इसमें target करूंगा. Local bank officer, UBI LBO will be targeted under this. So GSL batch, SBI PO, IBPS PO, UBI LBO, all these examinations will be covered under this batch. 100+ live classes you are going to get. Current affairs from the month of June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January and February. This 8-month current affairs will be covered. चलिए आते हैं सेशन पे. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम विशाखा जी, यू कैन गो टू ऑफलाइन इंटरव्यूज ज्वाइन करिए. फिर वहां पर चार्जेस थोड़ा ठीक होते हैं, अराउंड 5 to 10,000 दे विल चार्ज, राइट. हाँ, so I have seen when I get any type of comment over the 1000 rupee, 1500 rupee, that fee is high. I get to know about there are offline institutions and a student goes there at the offline institute and they pay 20,000 rupee for the preparation of banking examination. 20,000 for the interview preparation, 10,000, 5,000, this much amount. But for us 1500 rupees is high. That's okay, that's completely fine, not a problem from my side. It's your option, you want to join or not, that's your option, completely out. Chaliye, starting with the news number 1. Religare states Reserve Bank of India rejected the proposal to appoint former Central Bureau of Investigation official to its board. So actually, maybe you guys remember, if you are reading the current affairs from a little bit previous time, Rakesh Asthana sir was the director of Central Bureau of Investigation. Now he has been retired from the CBI. After the retirement, this Religare Enterprises, let me give you the brief about Religare also. So So this Religare Enterprises Limited is a Indian investment financial service company, headquarter located into New Delhi. तो ये New Delhi based Indian company है. It's a NBFC. For you, in a simple manner, it is a non-bank financial company. It's a NBFC, non-bank financial company, right? And chairman is Rashmi Saluja ji. So this company proposed to appoint Mr. Rakesh Asthana as the director in the board of director category, but RBI rejected. RBI said no. No, Mr. Rakesh Asthana will not be the director or additional director of the company. They asked reason why. RBI said no reasons. So, like a pro, RBI said no reasons. Like a pro, RBI said no reasons. And Reserve Bank of India rejected the appeal. This was the news number one. Second news from the obituaries. Maybe you guys get surprised because Aditya sir don't discuss obituaries, but it is important. So, Mr. Thibaut Moveveni, Mr. Thibaut Tito Moveveni recently passed away. He was the first black central bank governor. He was the governor of the Central Bank of South Africa. So he was the governor of Central Bank of South Africa. First black person, dark person to get appointed on this position. He passed away recently. He was the governor of Central Bank of South Africa from 1999 to 2009, and also then the finance minister of South Africa from 2018 to 2021. So he has served on the position of central bank governor, and after that the finance minister position. So on two position he has served in the South Africa. That is why the name was important. ठीक है भाई, जाग रहे हैं सारे लोग, बिल्कुल एक्टिविटीज बंद हो गई चैट बॉक्स में. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट न्यूज. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, इसको 5 स्टार रेटिंग का न्यूज रखिएगा आज के लिए. इंटरव्यू IBPS PO इंटरव्यू, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग, डेफिनेटली यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. इसके ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चन देखने के लिए मिलेगा IBPS PO इंटरव्यू में फॉर श्योर. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड रिवैम्पिंग मींस रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग द मिडिल मैनेजमेंट. जो मिडिल मैनेजमेंट है उसको रीस्ट्रक्चर करने के लिए इन द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक. So in all the 11 public sector bank, the middle level management will be restructured. Middle level management, you don't, when you joined as a IBPS PO, you are not under middle management level. You are at junior management. आपके उसमें प्रोफाइल में लिखा होता है JM. So that you are at junior management level, not middle also. So middle management level means CGM, DGM, AGM. So they are at the middle management level. New framework institutes substitutional increase in the number of chief general managers, deputy general managers, assistant general manager across the 12 PSBs लिखा होना चाहिए, across the 12 public sector banks, including SBI, 11 nationalized bank across the 12 public sector bank. तो सब जगह पर इसमें नंबर ऑफ इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो इट इज गोइंग टू गिव गुड opportunities for the promotion in the banking industry. It will increase the opportunities of the promotion in the banking industry at the level of CGM, DGM, AGM, etc. Now, it will be decided that how many CGM, AGM, DGM will be there in which bank. So, it is not going to be standard across the bank, every bank. Every bank will have different number of CGM, AGM, DGM. How it will be decided? It will be decided based on the business mix. Guys, I am in a very important topic, so please focus. After that, whatever the doubt you have, I'll clear. So keep very, very important topic is there, and going to be extremely difficult question during the interview if you will not understand. Written examination also you can get the question like this. What is business mix in the banking industry? Which of the following is a consider the correct statement regarding the business mix in the banking industry? So the position of CGM, GM, DGM, AGM, all these middle level positions will be decided based on the business mix of individual bank as on 31st March 2023. 24 भी नहीं 23. जो भी बैंक्स का बिजनेस मिक्स चल रहा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग 2023 के अकॉर्डिंग बैंक डिसाइड करेगा कितने सीजीएम डीजीएम होंगे. Now question is, interview question is, what is business mix in the banking industry? Business mix क्या होता है बैंकिंग में? Very important question. In RRBP interview also you can expect because it is there in the current affairs. So in banking, business mix is the combination of product, services and customer group that a bank target. So it is on the product which different type. Business risk हमने सुना है, right? Business risk is based on business mix. How a bank decide or what a bank decide in which area we are going to target. For example, let's take an example. There is a bank called BOI, just for example. Now the bank is targeting that this year we need to target on the automobile sector. We are going to target on automobile sector. We need to keep focus on automobile customers. And what we will do the collaboration with the insurance companies. We will do the collaboration with the insurance companies, and for which purpose? For the automobile insurance, that along with the automobile loans we can also offer automobile insurance, so keeping focus over the automobile customer. So BOI business mix is around automobile sector. BOI का business mix हो गया around automobile sector. They are keeping more focus on the automobile sector. So this is the product, services, customer group where the bank is targeting. That is called business mix. So all the different type of product, personal loan, education loan, life insurance product, mutual fund scheme, all the product or the customer group they are targeting, that is called business mix. Why business mix is important? That you are keeping focus on the different sector, different category will lower down your risk. आपका risk कम करता है. Why? If one sector is not performing, maybe you are able to earn good money from another sector. So instead of keeping eye on only one area, why not to keep it in a form of mixture? That is what the meaning of business mix is. Is this point clear? What is business mix is clear? Yes or no? फटाफट से बताओ. Business mix clear हुआ? Quickly guys. So what is business mix? It is the diversity a bank follow to offer the product or services in the different areas, including insurance, housing finance, education loan, automobile loan, after that industrial loan, apart from that mutual fund facilities, offering locker facility, everything will be called diversity. Correct. One word is called diversity. So that is called what? Business mix. Now, nationalized bank with a category based in their business mix. If a bank have business more than 10 lakh crore rupee, less than 10 lakh crore rupee. So if a bank have business mix of less than 10 lakh crore, they will be categorized at bank A. उनको कहा जाएगा bank A. Category B bank will be the business mix of more than 10 lakh rupees. So based on the business mix, bank will be decided into or categorized into two category, category A, category B. Category A less than 10 lakh rupee, category B two or more than 10 lakh rupee. Now, Chief General Manager distribution. So up to 4 lakh business mix, there will be 4 Chief General Manager. So basic idea if I'll tell you, very clear idea. So one Chief General Manager, bank decided one Chief General Manager on the business of 1 lakh crore. 1 lakh crore के business पर one Chief General Manager होगा. 1 lakh crore के business पर one Chief General Manager होगा. On an average, I am telling you. So if a bank have up to 4 lakh crore rupee business, 4 Chief General Manager. 4 lakh to 10 lakh, up to 8 Chief General Manager. 8 Chief General Manager. Then 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh crore, 10 Chief General Manager. Plus 1 Chief General Manager on each 1 lakh crore business. So 1 लाख करोड़ पर एक चीफ जनरल मैनेजर बिठा रहे हैं. एक बेसिक आइडिया आपको दे रहा हूं मैं. आई होप दिस आइडिया इज क्लियर, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज क्लियर, right? I know that this news is taking time, but it is an important news. If it is going to come in examination or in interview, I don't want you to struggle. मैं चाहता नहीं हूं कि आप struggle करो इन news के ऊपर. right? You will be able to understand answer in the examination easily. Now, what is the ratio? What is the ratio? So at least 50% of chief general manager must be placed in the corporate office in the category A bank. So category A bank mein 50% general manager should be appointed in the corporate offices. Then chief general manager and general manager ratio in the nationalized bank, one chief general manager on 4 general managers. So on 4 general manager there will be one chief general manager. This is the point. Then general managers, deputy general managers and assistant general manager. So one general manager over 3 deputy general manager and over 9 assistant general manager. So 1:3:9 is the ratio of general manager, DGM and AGM. Getting my point? How many of you are listening and like thinking around it that one day I will also write in my name जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ दिस बैंक? मतलब कितने लोगों को वाली फील आ रही है कि हाँ हम लिख सकते हैं कभी फ्यूचर में दैट जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ दिस बैंक. So the methodology of computing the chief general manager position may be reviewed by the Department of Financial Services in the FY 27-28. So again they are going to review it in the year 2027-28 based on the business mix of 31st March 2027. ये पॉइंट हो गया हमारा. ठीक है, चलिए गिरीश का एक क्वेश्चन आया था, प्लीज मेरा कंफ्यूजन क्लियर कर दीजिए. मेरा कन्नड़ा बोलना आता है बट मुझे रीड राइट नहीं आता है, तो क्या मैं अप्लाई कर सकता हूं? गिरीश, they will conduct a proper written examination for language proficiency test. If you are not able to read and write, you will get fail. Either you should learn to read and write in the given time. Right now, before your interview of LBU, local bank officer. So I would suggest you, until unless you are not pro in Kannada, you should not waste your time for such notification. Keep the idea where you will be able to get the job easily. ठीक है, चलिए. हाँ, नहीं आ रहा है फील, सबसे बेकार बैंक का जॉब. भाई साहब मैं तो बैंक के लिए पढ़ाता हूँ, फिर आप परेशान क्यों हो रहे हो? अगर बैंक का जॉब खराब है then do your business. Why you are worried about the watching the sessions and all? Don't waste your time. Go and start your business right now. चलो जाओ फटाफट से स्टार्ट करो बिजनेस. चलिए इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है. बिगेस्ट बैंकिंग दिवाली गिव अवे will be live at 11 AM today. 11 बजे आज एक सेशन लाइव होगा. There will be lots of gift for all of you. सच में गिफ्ट है, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं, सच में गिफ्ट है. So there will be gift every day for all of you. And when we will give you this gift, how we will give you this gift, and that will be sent to your home also. तो उस सब के बारे में मैं इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगा at 11 o'clock. So be there on time. Be there on time. चलो आगे मूव करते हैं. नेक्स्ट न्यूज है, पेटीएम रिसीव द नेशनल पेमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूवल टू एनरोल द न्यू यूपीआई यूजर्स. So NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, have approved the Paytm, have approved Paytm that they can enroll the UPI users now. नए UPI users को क्या कर सकते हैं? Enroll कर सकते हैं. In a significant decision to boost the Paytm, especially after the setback earlier, Reserve Bank of India restricted associated companies Paytm, that is Paytm Bank Limited, to onboard the new UPI users. Now, if you remember, after Reserve Bank of India banned to Paytm Payment Limited Bank, Paytm Payment Bank, Paytm is doing or continuing their business with the support of SBI, Axis Bank, HDFC and Yes Bank as a third party application provider. So previously Paytm was running as a bank owned application, but now Paytm run their business like a TPAP, third party application provider, by taking the support system from SBI, Axis Bank, HDFC and Yes Bank. Why? Paytm Payment Bank is not allowed to do the transaction in the UPI category. So now NPCI approved after observing all the rules and regulation followed by Paytm कि Paytm follow कर रहा है सारे rules and regulation and Paytm is follow rules and regulation, all the rules and regulation, and because of that this Paytm got the approval from NPCI that yes, you can onboard the new customer. बात करते हैं NPCI की, National Payment Corporation of India, founded in the year 2008, Mumbai, Maharashtra is the headquarter. Dilip Asbe sir is the MD and CEO. MD and CEO हैं Dilip Asbe sir, and NPCI is a umbrella organization that is started by Indian Bank Association along with the Reserve Bank of India and 10 nodal banks. तो इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. आगे आते हैं अगली न्यूज की तरफ. ठीक है, चलिए आगे मूव करते हैं. मुथूट फाइनेंस सिक्योर्स $400 million. मुथूट फाइनेंस सिक्योर $400 million via external commercial borrowing. Now question is, what is the meaning of external commercial borrowing? What is the limit of external commercial borrowing? So external commercial borrowing is like Indian companies are borrowing fund out of India. Very simple to understand. Indian companies borrowing money from out of India, that is called external commercial borrowing for India. जब भारत की कंपनी भारत के बाहर से पैसा उधार लें, वो पैसा कहलाएगा आपका external commercial borrowing. Now understand, when Indian companies, Indian corporate houses are also borrowing money from out of India, it is going to be a pressure that on Indian economy, क्योंकि वो इंडिया के बाहर से आया हुआ पैसा है. So that is going to be a pressure or debt on the Indian economy. That is why there is a limit. Beyond that limit, Indian companies are not allowed to borrow. This is not a case a company want to borrow $50 billion from the foreign nation, so they cannot borrow. They are not allowed to borrow. आपको borrow करने का भी government एक limit देता है that you can borrow up to this limit. Beyond that, you are not allowed. Sorry. So Muthoot Finance raised $400 million through the issuance of senior secured note from the from the foreign nations, which is external commercial borrowing to India. The fund was raised through the global medium term note program totaling around $2 billion. The coupon rate is around 6.3%. अभी के लिए आपको याद रखना है, practical statement is $400 million is important. Company name is important. So Muthoot Finance is the company. $400 million they have raised from where? From the external commercial borrowing. External commercial borrowing के through raise किया है. External commercial borrowing are the loan eligible entities in India are taking from non-resident lenders, those who are not Indians, to raise money in the form of foreign currency. External commercial borrowing can be in the form of bank loan or supplier credit, buyer and secured instrument, etc. Either issuing bond, you can take it, or from any exporter from the foreign nation, you are taking a credit limit. So everything will be coming under the category of external commercial borrowing. तो ये सब external commercial borrowing की category में आता है. ठीक है sir, they borrow from private bank or from the bank of other countries. That is what they can borrow from bank also. And I have given you example. One exporter in China, if they are giving credit to Indian importers, that import from me, I'll give you a credit limit of, give you a credit limit of 500 million. And you can return this money in the duration of 60 days. 60 days is the duration. That is also external commercial borrowing. So borrowing does not mean that only borrowing from the foreign bank. It can be by issuing bond, they are raising money, by the foreign bank they can raise money, or from the foreign suppliers they are taking a credit note. Everything will come under the category of external commercial borrowing. Is this point clear? Yeah. Then what is the limit of external commercial borrowing? Girish, you can connect with me in Telegram, please. Connect with me in Telegram. I will discuss with you separately. So what is the limit of external commercial borrowing? So external commercial borrowing, this limit is going to be the answer in your examination. यही होता है exam में answer. $750 million in one financial year. So for all the corporate other than hospital and hotel, those who are in the service industry and software. So service industry को छोड़ दें, corporate can raise up to $750 million in one financial year. For the service sector, it is $200 million. I am repeating again. When the question comes in examination, what is the yearly limit of external commercial borrowing? Answer is going to be $750 million. So this is the answer. दिस इज द आंसर फॉर योर एग्जाम क्वेश्चन, ये आपके एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन बनता है, ठीक है, ये पॉइंट हो गया। देन फॉर डिफरेंट लाइक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर $100 million है, NGOs up to $10 million, so different limit, but $750 million is the answer for your written examination. Next one, कार्तिक बोल रहे हैं RRB PO result you can expect it by Wednesday noon, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, max in next 3 days. My gut feeling says that tomorrow by evening we'll be able to see the result. Tuesday शाम तक हमको रिजल्ट देखने के लिए मिलेगा, ये मेरा गट फीलिंग है, ठीक है। चलिए मूव करते हैं। सो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिक्योर 1 billion फॉर द ईयर 2025-28 इंक्लूडिंग द 700 million in the new funding. So World Health Organization recently announced 1 billion of pledge. Pledge means loan. 1 billion loan have been announced by the World Health Organization, WHO, and 700 million will be provided for new funding commitment in the various European countries, foundation and organizations. So 700 million to the new project, 700 million to the new project. New projects को दिया जाएगा 700 million out of 1 billion and 300 million for the existing old project. So recently World Health Organization around $1 billion investment in the healthcare sector, 700 million for the new project, 300 million for the old project. World Health Organization founded in the year 1948, Geneva, Switzerland is the headquarter. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General. Next one. One more point. This decision of $1 billion funding or the loan is announced during World Health Summit 2024 that was conducted in Berlin, co-hosted by Germany, France and Norway. So World Health Summit 2024 conducted in Berlin, while it is hosted by Germany, France and Norway. Germany, France and Norway में इसको क्या किया गया है, होस्ट किया गया है. Next one. Another important news from NPCI. National Payment Corporation of India recently collaborated with Al Etihad Payment to launch Jaiwan card in UAE. So new, like in India we use RuPay card. हम यूज करते हैं ना RuPay card in India, correct है? Apart from that we also use MasterCard, MasterCard, Visa card, Diners Club, etc. Similar type of new card facility will be available in the world, that will be called Jaiwan. So this Jaiwan card will be available in UAE. It will be started by the UAE local authority called AI Etihad, that is Al Etihad Payment Limited, along with the NPCI National Payment Corporation of India. Although this Jaiwan card will be based on RuPay network only. ये RuPay infrastructure पर ही based है. It is based on the RuPay infrastructure. Jaiwan will be based on RuPay infrastructure. I hope you are getting my point. So that is why the collaboration have been done with NPCI in India to launch the Jaiwan card, which will be based on the RuPay infrastructure. Meaning of Jaiwan is pearl. That is the precious pearl. बहुत सुंदर सा, प्यारा सा, बहुत ही प्रीशियस मोती. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ जैवान, ठीक है, इन अरबी लैंग्वेज. सो जैवान कार्ड इज बेस्ड ऑन द RuPay कार्ड स्टैक. सो इट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द RuPay infrastructure. RuPay infrastructure developed by NPCI National Payment Corporation of India. By adopting this, UAE digital payment will become the first country, UAE will become the first country in CGG region to adopt the RuPay stack for their domestic payment. तो RuPay stack को adopt करने वाला पहला country बन जाएगा UAE by this. So Jaiwan card scheme launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the visit in February 2024 in UAE. उस समय announce किया गया था. Now it is going to get implemented. Next one. Aditya Birla Housing recently collaborated with Bharat Pay to transform the secure lending facility in the market. So Aditya Birla Housing, they provide which type of facility? Home loan. They offer home loan. Home loan is a secure loan. Now to take the home loan, one can apply directly online on the application of Bharat Pay. So if you will open Bharat Pay application, you will apply for home loan. Your loan documentation, approval, disbursement will be done by the Aditya Birla Housing Limited. So Aditya Birla Housing Limited collaborated with Bharat Pay, where the company will be utilizing the platform of Bharat Pay to offer the home loan facility digitally online, completely online. So this is what the collaboration done between these two organizations. Aditya Birla Housing Finance MD and CEO is Mr. Pankaj Gadgil and Bharat Pay CEO is Mr. Nalin Negi. News clear हो गया, समझ में आ गया क्या news है? So very simple news. Aditya Birla Housing Finance will be offering the home loan facility completely digital. You can apply, you can upload your document on the Bharat Pay application. Next one, Financial Intelligence Unit imposed the fine of 54 lakh rupee on the Union Bank of India for failing report the suspicious transaction report for not undertaking the due diligence at anti-money laundering law under the certain accounts in a branch located in Mumbai. तो यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की मुंबई स्थित कुछ ब्रांचेस से सस्पिशियस ट्रांजैक्शंस हुए, मींस द ट्रांजैक्शंस वेयर द बैंक नीड टू टेक एक्शन and find suspicious transaction report. This is a task of bank PO का task होता है to find the suspicious transaction report in case of any bulk deposit by anyone suddenly where in the account. See, suspicious transaction is what? Simple बता दूं, what is the meaning of suspicious transaction? In your bank account, there was always, from the last 10 years you are using bank account, and there is always the deposits of that 500 rupees, sometime 1000, sometime 10,000, not more than 50,000. At the time of depositing fees, college fees 50,000 rupees. Suddenly 5 crore rupee came to your account. आपके अकाउंट में अचानक से आ गया 5 करोड़. That is a suspicious transaction. That the person with the profile who have never paid tax, PAN card is showing 0 tax. Previous transactions were very small, not more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh. Suddenly 50 crore rupee transaction, it's a suspicious transaction. So it is a responsibility of bank PO. In that case, they need to continuously observe the account and file the suspicious transaction report. So Financial Intelligence Unit of Finance Ministry will take the action on such account holder according to the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Bank was failed to do that. So bank also got the fine of 54 lakh rupee. तो बैंक के ऊपर फाइन लग गया कितने का? 54 lakh. समझ में आया? What is suspicious transaction report? Clear हुआ? So Financial Intelligence Unit founded in the year 2004, New Delhi's headquarters. Vivek Agrawal sir is the director general. It work under the Ministry of Finance to protect the to implement the Anti-Money Laundering Act. UPI related point. Headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra, founded in the year 1990. Srinivasan Vardarajan sir is the non-executive chairperson. A. Mini McClimb is the MD and CEO. Good people to bank with is the tagline. The tagline है good people to bank with. Next one. सर आरबीआई ने क्यों नहीं किया? सिद्धार्थ गौर जी का कंफ्यूजन है. सर आरबीआई ने फाइन क्यों नहीं लगाया? आरबीआई भी फाइन लगा सकता है अब FIU के बाद. FIU is a specialized organization of Ministry of Finance which work over to reduce the cases of money laundering in the banking system. कि banking system में money laundering activities ना हो, उसको रोकने के लिए FIU है. That is a parallel type of organization like Reserve Bank of India. But RBI can still impose fine. ऐसा नहीं है कि अब RBI फाइन नहीं लगाएगा. RBI अब फाइन लगा सकता है बाद में. RBI के पास इंफॉर्मेशन गया होगा. Maybe we will be reading in next 2-3 days कि RBI also impose the fine. Possible है. Liberty General Insurance, one of the prominent non-life insurance, have joined hand with the Maruti Suzuki Insurance Broking. So Maruti Suzuki and Liberty General Insurance collaborated to implement Bima Prachar or Prasar. Bima Prachar, Bima Prasar. Prachar means advertisement, Prasar means expansion. Bima means insurance. So insurance, advertisement, insurance expansion. Promotion and expansion, better to call it. Insurance promotion, insurance expansion. This is what the initiative recently launched by Liberty General Insurance in collaboration with the Maruti Suzuki to make people aware about the importance of the insurance, vehicle insurance especially. So importance of the vehicle insurance. So the people will start focusing on the insurance into that in that area. So raising the awareness in Punjab Gram Panchayat and increasing the penetration in Delhi. So basic फोकस विल बी इन द पंजाब एंड दिल्ली एरिया. सो पंजाब और दिल्ली एरिया में फोकस किया जा रहा है इस पर. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. अपॉइंटमेंट न्यूज पर आते हैं. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अप्रूव द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एक्सिस बैंक मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सीईओ मिस्टर अमिताभ चौधरी. मींस रीअपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ मिस्टर अमिताभ चौधरी ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ MD and CEO of Axis Bank. So Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary reappointed as the MD and CEO of Axis Bank for the duration of 31st of March till the year 2027. So 25 to 27 for another 2 years he have been appointed now. Amitabh Chaudhary sir is going to continue the growth of Axis Bank. Before joining Axis Bank, Amitabh Chaudhary was the managing director and CEO of SDFC Bank and SDFC Standard Life Insurance Company Limited for more than 9 years. 9 साल तक ही रहे हैं इस पोजीशन पे. Now he came to the position of MD and CEO of Axis Bank. Axis Bank founded in the year 1993, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter. Amitabh Chaudhary sir is MD and CEO. बढ़ती का नाम जिंदगी is the tagline. International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Arid Tropic governing body recently appointed Mr. Himanshu Pathak as the Director General. So this ICRI-SAT is an organization which was founded in the year 1972 for the research in the field of crop, for the promotion of agriculture, for increasing a type of adopting the green revolution. Main objective is this of this organization, CGIAR. In this organization, which was founded in the year 1972 and headquarter located in Hyderabad, इनका headquarter है हैदराबाद में. So its headquarter located in Hyderabad. This organization recently appointed Mr. Himanshu Pathak as the Director General. तो हिमांशु पाठक इसके Director General appoint हुए हैं. Organization name is International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. तो ये organization का नाम है. Justice Sanjeev Khanna ready to take charge and taking oath as the Chief Justice of India on 11th of November. Do you know that Mr. Chief Justice of India will be taking the oath in front of whom? किसके सामने शपथ लेते हैं Chief Justice of India? CGI will take oath in front of whom? In front of whom? Souvik, just clear the history of your device and try again. It will work. Otherwise, I'll inform to the tech team. They will resolve it in next 5 minutes, 10 minutes. ठीक है? चलिए आगे आते हैं. Prime Minister Narendra Modi set to launch Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana for the senior citizen. We know that everyone on the age 70 and above will be getting the 5 lakh rupee free health insurance irrespective of their income. फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं, जो भी लोग जिनका एज 70 और 70 से ऊपर है उनको कितना भी पैसा कमाते हो कोई मैटर नहीं, हर किसी को बाय डिफॉल्ट 5 लाख रुपए का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रही है प्रधानमंत्री आयुष्मान भारत योजना, दैट इज जन आरोग्य योजना के अंतर्गत. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज रेडी टू लॉन्च अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना, अंडर विच everyone age above 70 will be getting the benefit of health insurance up to 5 lakh rupee per year. Approximately 45 million families are going to get the advantage of it. Ministry of Information Broadcasting have announced Australia will be in country in focus every year during your International Film Festival Award. हर साल International Film Festival Award में एक कंट्री को कंट्री इन फोकस अनाउंस किया जाता है एंड दैट कम्स इन एग्जामिनेशन आल्सो. सो दिस ईयर इन द 55th एडिशन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज गोइंग टू बी द कंट्री इन फोकस. इस साल कंट्री इन फोकस होगा आपका ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सो इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया already have done the parties of MOU on the audio visual co-production treaty and Australia is going to be the country in focus this year. कंट्री इन फोकस दिस ईयर रहेंगे. ठीक है, चलो पॉइंट क्लियर है. नहीं, एक्ट यहां पर इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. सिद्धार्थ एंड प्रेसिडेंट इज करेक्ट आंसर. शाश्वत, नवीन, देवेश, श्रद्धा करेक्ट आंसर. सीजीआई विल टेक ओथ इन फ्रंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, सो दिस वन आर इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया This year it is going to be 55th edition. This year it is going to be 55th edition. It was started in the year 1952. 1952 में start हुआ था and it is conducted annually in Goa. गोवा में कंडक्ट होता है एनुअली. दिस ईयर कंट्री इन फोकस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑस्ट्रेलिया होगा आपका कंट्री इन फोकस. चलिए मैं अब विदा लेता हूं आप लोगों से. कुछ और एक दो न्यूज बचे हुए हैं, एक बार आप लोग पढ़ लेना. आई विल रिवाइज देम टुमारो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एमसीक्यूज. मैं कल एमसीक्यूज में इनको रिवाइज करूंगा. तो मिलूंगा आपसे अब कितने बजे? 11 o'clock. So we'll meet back at 11 AM today on Guidely YouTube channel. Do join it. There will be awesome gift and offers. Offers भी हैं आप लोगों के लिए. Those who are preparing with the Guidely PDF, Guidely Smart Quiz, you are going to get a great offer over the Guidely platform after the announcement of today. बहुत बढ़िया announcement है. तो offers भी हैं, gift भी हैं आप लोगों के लिए. मिलते हैं 11 बजे. Till that time, keep watching Guidely guys. Take care. जय हिंद. All the best.